Hi and welcome to my playhouse. It's bloody early in the morning. Today we have a little traveling vlog, I guess it's called. We're going to Canada. I'm gonna be attending the Linus Tech Tips LTX2019. So I have a lot of traveling to do. Canada is far away. And it's rather early here. Let's go check the time. I have to fly at 9:10, I guess. Let's see, lights. So the clock is 4:41 right now. My telephone is gonna wake me up at 4:50. I kind of have this internal clock, so if I have to do something, I will wake up all by myself, even before the alarm clock calls me up. It's very handy actually. So I have an alarm clock for when I have to go to work. I can kind of turn it on and off in the weekend. I can tell myself the night before. I don't have to get up when the alarm clock goes off. And then I don't get up. And if I have to do something important, I can tell myself, well, tomorrow when the alarm clock calls, I have to get up fast, and I'll get up fast. It's great like that. So yeah, I have to go brush my teeth and stuff. I'm gonna be traveling with Lufthansa, the German traveling company, flight company. It's $100 for a real suitcase. So I'm gonna travel with this hand luggage here. It irritates me. I am too cheap to pay $100 for a suitcase. So I've been packing really light, which is, it's not that cool. But so I have trousers and I have a shirt and blouse on, sweater. Just because that's the heaviest stuff, so that I don't have to have as much heavy stuff in the suitcase. I have like shorts and well, light clothes there. So yeah, but let's get on with it. I'll go brush my teeth and we'll get on our way. Yeah, now we have to get up. Yes. Stop. Oh, did I snooze it now? God dang it. Alarm off. I don't want to get up at 4:50 tomorrow as well. So yeah, cool, very early. I need to remember my phone. Those has gotten important in today's travel. Okay, so traveling, passport, money and phone, and stay here passport. It's kind of the important thing. The phone, you can always buy a new phone, and with these Apple phones, you would be able to go into any Apple phone seller, get a new phone, and in minutes you would be able to have your phone up and running again. But passport and money is really passport to get in and out, money to buy your way if something goes wrong, hotel, new flight, stuff like that. Yeah, so I have to fly at 10 minutes past 9. You kind of have to be at the airport for international flights 2 hours before that, so that's 7:10. Then I have about a 2-hour drive to the airport from here, so that's about 5:10. Then I had to get up and brush my teeth and get my clothes on and get the fuck out of the door, so I added 20 minutes more to that. So now we're at 4:50. Also have to find a parking spot at the airport in Billund. I'm gonna be flying Billund, Frankfurt and Vancouver. So it's gonna be a nifty little flight there. The Frankfurt-Vancouver part is by far the biggest. I haven't looked at how long it takes to fly to Frankfurt, but it's not that long. So yeah, I better get on my way. We are already running late. So, but I don't expect the traffic is bad here before 5 o'clock in the morning. It has become light outside, so that is great. we're on our way. It's very early in the morning and I have to be very careful because the deers are out in force and they don't know that people drive this early in the morning, so they might be stupid enough to jump in front of the car, so I am very careful. Okay, we made it in good time. The time is only 6:50, so I actually came here 20 minutes before I had to be here, so I could have slept 20 minutes longer, but well, my internal clock wouldn't let me. So I found parking here. It's bloody expensive. I didn't even check the prices, but it's on this note down there. Maybe I can see it on the footage. I'll walk that way, but it's gonna cost me a few hundred kronas to park here. I'll go up to the airport. Maybe it's time for breakfast. Okay, we're in through security, and this is a rather small airport. It's that's about it. What you see is what you get. Down here is security. That went pretty fast. There were not a lot of people. So now I have to go to the hard part, the shopping center, to go get my breakfast. So yeah. Okay, breakfast is served. We're gonna have some bread and sausages, and there is some scrambled eggs and bacon. Okay, so we have reached Frankfurt, and this is a big airport, so I need to find my gate. I'm going to fly from gate B20, and I see that it's this way. So yeah, I'm finding my way. I have 2 hours, so there's lots of time to mess around. But it could be miles. I hear bad things about. Well, it's not bad things. I just hear that this airport is bloody big. Guess that wasn't long. I just moved from over there and to over here, and already here is the gate. So what the hell am I gonna be doing for the next 2 hours? So it's the next day. I must admit that that 10-hour flight from Frankfurt to Vancouver got the best of me. I had a heck of a headache when that plane, well, actually a couple of hours before we landed. I think I've been watching too much films on that little TV. Probably got a gigantic headache from that. So, but I've arrived, and I'm here at the Airbnb that I have pre-booked. I pre-booked that, yeah. And I have to thank my patrons for this. Because I use Patreon money to sponsor that. It's a rather nice place. It's very expensive to book a hotel here in Vancouver. Apparently that was 1,700 Danish kroner for well, for a normal room. That was kind of the average. So I went cheaper, just a little bit cheaper. So this is the view from 27th floor in this penthouse apartment, where I just have that little room, but I thought it was pretty sweet. So let's just give you a better view. Some flag is over here. I'm guessing the Canadian. I know it's the Canadian. So, but yeah, it's early in the morning. It's about 6 something. I forgot to check the time. But this is the view. This is the science fair, science center something. Thales World of Science. There's the water, there's a stadium. Over here somewhere behind that thing, over there. I think that the Linus Tech Tip thing is gonna be. So, morning traffic, humans out running all over the place actually. I do think this is pretty cool, and this was 1/3 of the price of a normal hotel room. Doesn't come with any service-ish. There's Wi-Fi, there's really good Wi-Fi. I posted that on Twitter. There is a 90 megabyte connection here. Yeah, you have to have your priorities straight. So yeah, I didn't get to buy anything, so I was told that there's a McDonald's just around the corner, so breakfast at McDonald's today, I guess. And then I need some Coke somewhere. I'm a big Coke addict in that regard, sugar-free though, but yeah, I just wanted to share this. This is marvelous. This was kind of a like a lottery. I was looking at different Airbnb possibilities here in Vancouver. The cheapest one was together with some cat woman, but the reviews was really bad. Apparently she had a lot of cats, and someone reported that the time that he was there was also a homeless person living there with a bad cough. So yeah, this was about the same price as that, but this has just gone up on Airbnb. There was 0 reviews of it when I chose it. So yeah, I think this is a winner. It's pretty good. He did have a nice party until 4 o'clock this morning, but I was still jet lagged, so I didn't give a shit. So I'm sorry I didn't film any of the coming to Vancouver, but I was ready to take a cab from the airport. I didn't do so. I'm too cheap. But I did manage to find out how the Sky Train, which is a dumb Canadians, if you call that a Sky Train, what is a crappy train then? Yeah, I'm just complaining, ain't I? But I bought one of those car things so I can travel with it. So I'm gonna be doing that, even though it's way worse than we're used to. So, okay, thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again. We're gonna go see LTX19. I'm gonna do a video, another blog video. I have to find a camera store where I can get a tripod, but I'm sure I can figure that out. And again, thank you very much to my patrons. They made this happen. Thank you.